Okay, good morning, students. Today in MBA fourth semester, in strategic management paper, we are going to deal the topic that is known as e-commerce business model and strategies. Okay, in this, what we are going to deal? We are going to deal about the e-commerce models, business models. Okay, so what are and their strategies? How many types of models are being e-commerce models are being there, and accordingly, what are those strategies which we are going to deal with that? Okay, so in this, what is being done? The entire information system, the entire e-commerce system in the organization is being divided into four basic levels. Okay, it is being divided into four basic levels. That is the top level, the upper middle level, the lower middle level, and the lower level. Okay, and the very top level for which the decisions are being taken, that comes in the form of what? Strategic planning part. For that, the e-commerce model which is being used, that is being assisted with DSS, decision support system. That is known as what? DSS, the electronic medium by which the activities of top officials or the top management is being done. That is done for the strategic planning is only with the help of what? Is only with the help of DSS, that is decision support system. Okay, with the help of decision support system, most of the decisions in this, the information regarding the entire activities of the organizations, regarding entire field of the organization is being gathered, is being stored by the company, and after that, after the information is being gathered and stored, it should be analyzed, and after analyzing the data, it should be disseminated in the entire organization. The dissemination of organization, the decisions would be taken, and accordingly the things would be done. That is known as what? The very first level comes in the form of what? Strategic decision making part, that is strategic planning part. What is the function of a model? The electronic e-commerce model. Okay, the next important function is being related with the upper middle level. Okay, that is what? The upper middle level. As we know that the upper middle level of the entire management part, their work activity is being related to what? It's a management control. Its work activity is what? Related to management control. That how the controlling of the organization is being done, the process performed to control the basic products and services produced by the company and indicated by the first level, that is operational control in bank. Okay, so in this management control being at the second level, okay, indicates processes or functions that facilitate the management of those processes delegated to the operational control level. Okay, and at that second level, the system which is being used, the model which is being used, on the basis of which the electronic commerce activity is being done, that is known as what? Management information system. That is what? MIS, that is management information system. The entire management, and under the management information system, there are various kinds of strategies with the help of, and each and every functionary departments are there. It is only the upper middle level management part where the entire organization is being divided into various functionary departments, and each and every functionary departments do have their own activities, do have their own functions, and they deal on those functions, they deal on those activities. That is known as what? Functionary level or the functional part. On that functionary level or the functional part, the activities are being done which is being related, which is being concerned with the entire management of the upper middle of the organizations. That is what the management control is being done. Okay, and in this management control, the functions of the department, the functions of the organizations are being dealt. That is known as what? Management information system. Okay, now the third the very next model with the help of which the organization is being framed with respect to the e-commerce model, that is known as what? Transactional model, which is being made for whom? For the lower middle level, the work activities of the lower middle level, where the executives and officers of the organizations are being placed in the organization. They are working at that particular position, and there what is being done at that location, various parts of the organizations are being done. Most of the organizations activities, most of the organizations evaluation part, the control part is being done at that particular level. Okay, at that level the work activities of executives and the managers is to execute, is only to evaluate, is only to supervise or the activities of the entire organization. Okay, they have to follow the instructions, the plans and policies which is being made by the upper middle level and the upper middle and upper level, and they have to execute, they have to proceed those things to the lower, and the controlling is being done, the evaluation, the controlling part is being done by them. Okay, so at that level the function, the management system, the e-commerce, the electronic commerce system by which that function is being dealt, that model is known as what? Transactional processing system, where entire data mining process is being done, where the databases of the entire organization are being made on, and on that databases the informations are being collected, and with the help of those information, the information are being filtered, and those filtered information would be divided or disseminated, distributed in the entire organization for the functionaries. Okay, and at last there is what? There is the operational control level, the last level, the lower level, which deals about the operational control part, where the operations, the activities of the entire organization is being dealt. Okay, and this operational system is being done with an electronic medium, that is known as, with the help of an electronic commerce activity, that is known as what? That activity is known as what? OAS, Office Automation System, or OSS, that is known as what? Office Support System. It means that all those hardwares and softwares which are being installed, which are being used, utilized by the entire lower level management or the lower level personnel of the organization, which helps for the operational control, which helps for the control of the operational activities of the organization, where the control of the operations of the organizations are being done. That is known as what? The operational control part, where the operations of the organization is being done. Okay, so these are what? These are the 4 types of models which is being used inside the organization, which helps in the electronic commerce part. Okay, as well as with regard this, the entire organization is being attached with real-time or online system, and with this real-time and online system, the organizations do make their own interaction platform with the help of websites, and on those websites today all the organizations, all the companies are developing their websites, and with the help of those websites, what they used to do, they used to interact with the customers, they used to interact with the people who are there in the market, and accordingly they used to do what? They used to develop their activities, they used to function their activities. That is known as what? That is the entire process, or that is known as what? The management information system part, which is being dealt in this entire e-commerce part, and various strategies are being applied at the very top level, upper middle level, lower middle level, and at the lower levels. Once again, the models which is being used at the different levels of an organization, on the basis of which the electronic activities, the e-commerce activities are being done inside the organizations. Activities for the activities of an organizations are the top level, which is being supported by the DSS, that is decision support system, the upper middle level, that is being supported by the system that is known as management information system, the lower middle level, that is being supported by a system that is known as transactional processing system, and the last level, the lower level, which is being supported by the system that is known as office automation system, OAS, or office support system, OSS. So these are what? These are the different kinds of activities, these are the different kinds of systems which supports the organizations for doing their activities. So the organizations can deal their activities, can do their activities while using these kinds of softwares and applications, or and the help of these softwares and applications, the various electronic mediums are being conducted. Okay, as well as various technologies, internet technologies like intranet and extranet are also being used, with the help of which the company can interact inside inside the boundary as well as the interactions which is being done outside the company's boundaries is also being done, and the entire outside part is being made user friendly so that the suppliers and the stakeholders of the organizations can easily interact with the companies, with the organization, and accordingly all the strategies are being framed and the strategies are being run on that basic particular activities. Okay, thank you to all of you.